Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed chicken breasts. It's going to look like it took you hours to make it, but it is so simple and so easy. My family loves this recipe, and I think yours will too. So hold on just a second, and I'm going to show you how to make stuffed chicken breasts. Okay, we're getting ready to start these stuffed chicken breasts. Of course, you need chicken breasts. Imagine that. These are thin sliced chicken breasts that I bought at Aldi. And if you don't get the thin slice, if you get regular big old chicken breasts, you're going to have to slice them in half, long ways to make them thin, or pound them thin. Now, in my day, my mom and grandma, they had a meat mallet and they would pound all kinds of meat to tenderize it. No one does that anymore. I don't even know if I have a meat tenderizer hammer anymore, but we used to do that all the time. So you'll need the chicken breast, and then I'm going to kind of cheat. It's easy to make stuffing, but I bought a package of stuffing mix at Aldi's. I think it was like 88 cents. And I chopped up about half an onion and one stalk of celery. This is kind of optional. I just like it with a little bit of vegetables in it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute these vegetables, and we're going to cook these stuffing. So the stuffing requires 1.5 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to get that started. And I'm going to go ahead and put these vegetables in and start sauteing them. I would say that water is ready. The butter is melted, and now you're just going to pour in the prepackaged stuffing mix, and you're going to take it off heat, and you're going to stir it up, and you're going to let it set for 5 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is, once those vegetables are done sauteing, I'm going to mix them in. I think those vegetables are sauteed enough, so now I'm just going to add them into the stuffing and mix it up. Well, I've greased the pan that I'm going to put it in. I just used a little olive oil spray, and I took the chicken out of the packages. Now I'm going to cut off all of the fat because it looks gross to me. So as you can see, I've cut all the fat off, and now I'm going to put some of this stuffing on each one, and we're just going to roll it up. So I've got a good dollop of stuffing on each chicken. There's plenty of chicken left. I was really careful as I took it out to drop it on so I didn't cross-contaminate my stuffing. Now we're just going to roll them up. Okay, so you're just going to take it and you're going to roll it. And you have to kind of hold that stuffing in a little bit. And then you're going to put it in the pan seam side down. I'm just going to add a little chicken broth into here. Should be plenty, and stick them in the oven. We've got the oven heating up to about 375, and it's probably going to take a good hour. If you want a little gravy on top of the chicken, then you can just use any commercial package of gravy mix and follow the instructions. It's easy.
The key is, on the instructions it says mix it with cold water, and people don't do that. They think that I just add hot water to it. Hot water will make it very lumpy. So just stir it together for a couple minutes with cold water before I ever put it on heat, and it turns out super smooth.
See, that's why you're the gravy king. Just gonna drain that juice off a little bit, and then we're gonna pour the gravy on. Pouring on the gravy. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, that's enough. You don't have to smother it. After I said you don't have to smother it, my husband said gravy covers a boatload of sins. My chicken isn't a sin. No. I guarantee you it's delicious. It does not need saved by your gravy.
It's true.
Well, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. That was super kind of you. I really appreciate it. And if you got anything at all out of the video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. I hope you have a great rest of your day.